Hello again, my name's Gabe Zollner. Just read an article posted on Western Journalism. Title, I Will Pay the Consequences. Judge Jeanine Pirro, scheduled to appear in court, could lose her license. Actually, from what I've read, she could lose a lot more than her license. The shoe was on the other foot at this time, as Fox News host Judge Jeanine Pirro will be the defendant in a case that could cost her big time. Posted on November 21st, 2017, written by Jack Davis. Interesting. The shoe was on the other foot this time, as Fox News host Judge Pirro will be the defendant. As reported by the New York Post, Pirro was driving her 2017 Cadillac along Route 17 on Sunday in Tioga County, where she was stopped by New York State Police for going 119 miles an hour in a 65-mile-an-hour zone. In a statement, Pirro explained why she needed to be going 54 miles over the limits. Quote, I have been driving for hours to visit my ailing 89-year-old mom and didn't realize how fast I was driving. I believe in the rule of law and I will pay the consequences, the statement said. Well, Jeanine, if you believe in the rule of law, what the hell were you doing driving 54 miles an hour over the limits, huh? You know, I did some Googling, and depending on what state you're in New York State, 35 miles an hour over the speed limit is reckless driving. And reckless driving could have up to 1 year in jail. Now, she was going 54 miles an hour, not 35 miles an hour over the speed limit. In Arizona, over 100, you're going to go right to jail. I think the same applies in California. You go right to jail, your car gets towed. So I think that she's going to lose a lot more than a little bit of money and her license. She could lose her freedom. And if she's convicted and goes to jail, I don't know how many judges have jail sentences. Do you? This could be the end of her career. Folks, I don't wish bad for her, but what the hell is she doing going 119 miles an hour if she believes in the rule of law? The mother said she is very much concerned about my illness. I'm dying of cancer. Well, I feel sorry for you, but, you know. New York State prescribes a fine of between $360 and $600 for going more than 30 miles an hour over a posted speed limit. I think 30 is the break point too. Beyond that, it's considered reckless driving. The maximum sentence on the charge also includes up to 15 days in jail. And I think that's making reference to going just 30 miles an hour over the limit. There's other price breaks as well. State law also allows a maximum penalty of 11 points on a driver's license, which is equivalent to the suspension of the license. I don't know how this thing's going to shake out for her. I like her. I think she does a great job. But again, if she believes in the rule of law, why doesn't she obey it? Huh? I'll attach the link. You have a look at it. You let me know what you think. You know what I think, don't you?